Wow guys, I'm so excited to finally bring you the video of my trip to Portugal. What an epic journey. I completed an 8,000 kilometer round trip in 9 days. It was amazing. As you know, I never planned my trips. I woke up, I decided I was going to ride, I picked a direction and left. Along the way I visited as many Indian dealers as I could. What a truly amazing experience. I rode the first 1,500 kilometers riding through almost torrential rain. The first time I really saw the sun was when I hit Spain. Wow, I've just come to Bordeaux to visit one of the nice Indian dealerships over here. So I'm here with Dominique, the owner of the dealership. Tell me, why did you decide to get into Indian motorcycles?
Oh, it's a long history because we started with Victory in 2010 and the bikes are very nice. I like it. Mine is a Springfield Dark Horse. This is the most comfortable bike I've ever had.
It's such a comfortable bike. I've literally just ridden about 1,500 kilometers to get here, so I can tell you my backside agrees with you. Thank you very much. Oh, I must actually say this. Dominic has been really kind. When I got here, I didn't realize that the shop was actually closed, so he's actually decided to help me on his lunchtime to allow me to have a little look. So Dominic, honestly, I really appreciate your hospitality. So what we're going to do now, guys, is just head inside, have a little look at the shop, and I'll tell you what, I think you'll agree with me. It is absolutely gorgeous. Anyway, I hope you enjoy.
Thank you for coming to us.
So, welcome to Indian Bordeaux. Hopefully the light flicker isn't too bad. I've noticed a little bit, I've made some adjustments to try and reduce that. Now this is the one thing on this Chief, which is the same as mine, is I really think this backrest is a must. It really helps you with your luggage and bits and pieces. So if anybody's having any doubt on that, I would definitely grab one of those. Makes a big difference. I need to get one on my bike actually. Really love the color on this one. Great looking bike. Normally the only thing that I would ever have red on is a Ferrari, but you know what? I might call this the Indian Ferrari. Definitely a great color. Thank you for letting us bug you. The most amazing thing really happened when I left France and headed into Spain. It's almost as if by magic, going through the tunnels and things, the sun came out and it was absolutely spectacular. You know, it just brought a smile to my face. As you can see, the windscreen was still wet from the rain that I was getting hit with before. Having finally swapped the non-stop rain in France for the sun in Spain was a great relief. The contrast couldn't be more obvious. The moment I crossed into Spain, the sun emerged. With the Pyrenees mountains looming, it gave me some spectacular views, passing through a series of tunnels until I emerged into the flat, arid Spanish plains.
I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean.
I tried to get off the beaten track as much as I possibly could. And I tell you what, the roads didn't disappoint.
Tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling mean. Tonight I'm gonna pick myself a fight. If some deserving dirtbag a black eye, and if he swings at me, then I'll bust that sucker's knee. 'Cause tonight I'm feeling mean, I'm feeling.
My first stop in Portugal really was in a town called Alentejo. Alentejo is about 200 kilometers north of Faro, and it's great because it gets you off the beaten track and away from all the tourist hotspots.
Anyone's ever seen me down the way of
I managed to stay at a great place that someone that I knew organized for me called Herdada de Rio Torto, which is a hotel slash bed and breakfast, and I managed to get it for 50 euros a night. It was absolutely fantastic accommodation for the money as well. Hey everyone, so yeah, I'm at Alentejo Dam, just outside Portugal, and it's the second largest man-made dam in the world, well, not the world, in Europe, I believe. Absolutely beautiful out here, as you can see. I'm laughing because it seems that every time I start recording, the cars start coming by. I've been here for, I don't know, 15-20 minutes, and there's been no vehicles. At the moment I start recording, there's been about 50-60 cars come through here. It's a bit weird, but anyway, absolutely beautiful. So obviously, as part of my latest trip to Portugal, I just thought I'd show you guys a little bit more of the sights and everything. Really, really wonderful. Hope you guys enjoy it. And do me a favor, if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It makes a massive, massive difference to me. So please help us out if you can. And I hope you enjoy. So here we are at the Amera Marina, which is just a stone's throw away from the dam where we were earlier. Absolutely gorgeous though. Have a look at that behind me. Really, really nice. It's such a beautiful region. Temperature is fantastic. I mean, now it's about 30 degrees and it's meant to be winter. So yeah, long way that lost. I arrived at the Algarve this afternoon, and I think it took me about 2-3 minutes to run into the local bikers, and I've managed to get invited to the local party. It's a massive celebration event and it's fantastic. Bikes behind me, still early in the evening. I've got bands and everything, and yeah, I'm so pleased. It's really fantastic. I'll get some video for you guys and see if you like it. Hey guys, thank you for the invite, man. That was definitely a serious party, and at €1 a beer, having spent 100 euros for the night, buying a couple of trays at a time, I was nursing a bit of a sore head the next morning, and I decided to do some light exploring and try and get some photos. So yeah, I'm in Villamora at the moment at a place called Falacia Beach. I didn't come up with that name, so don't blame me for that. Absolutely gorgeous though. Really, really beautiful area. So I'm going to make my way down the coast now and show you guys a little bit more. Hope you enjoy.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
The following day I headed out to Faro to go and check out the Indian dealership. So everyone, I'm here in Faro at the Indian dealership, and the owner Fernando has kindly agreed to give me a little test drive on his personal motorcycle, which I really appreciate. Absolutely gorgeous. He's done some performance enhancements to it as well. So yeah, we'll take it for a ride, see what it feels like. Okay, listen to this. Sounds absolutely gorgeous. I hope you guys will be able to hear me, but I'll have to dub it over if it's not. Oh, so it's so powerful. So I like this riding position. It's really, really good. I can tell you what, just the difference in the power is absolutely worlds apart from what I've got on my Chieftain. So this is the 2019 model, which comes with the different settings. So I've just got on a standard setting, but with the bits and pieces that they've already done, it's really, really, really nice. And I must be honest, this riding position is fantastic. I hope there's not too much wind noise. I can't believe how much of a difference that is. It's absolutely worlds apart. It's so responsive. Really, really responsive. It actually takes a bit of getting used to. I definitely want to change my bike for the new 116 next year now. Pretty much made up my mind. I'm going to have to find the shekels to do that. Absolutely fantastic. And sadly with that, my time in Portugal is at an end. It's been an epic adventure, and I really appreciate you guys joining me along the ride. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon.